Okay, I don't know if I got the other recording, but these are my kids from the Canal View Park, which is called Fred Burn. Now we've got two younger, come on, sunlight, younger little drakes. He is a Drake magpie. He is a son of Queen Anne. That's Prince Andrew, we're calling him. And there's Dustin, Daffy, and Duffy. He's been here forever. His best friend was Fluffy. You remember Fluffy? Yeah. And these drakes are young pups. And old man Duffy not happy with this. I had a friend that did a video of Duffy and some other drake tearing each other up. But look at Prince Andrew. He's gorgeous. Oh, come on, phone. Gorgeous Prince Andrew. And there goes a pink Rosetta. Oh, I love those birds. Duh. Wow. Oh, she landed right by the mallees. How pretty, Rosetta. I might have to walk over there, but they fly away every time. Stinkers. They are beautiful. She just flew in. Man, I missed a good photo op. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle and the wildlife. And remember, only feed ducks corn. Please don't feed our ducks bread. It's really the most unnutritious thing.